This new feature provides a more intuitive and faster creation of advanced CAM mill turn setups. The Mill Turn Workpiece geometry subtype is new. This subtype is available in several milling and turning geometry templates and is available only when a machine tool is loaded. The dialog now uses the Common Explorer style. The spun outline is now created automatically when part and blank geometry are defined. To assign the part and workpiece geometry, specify the available machine setup component of the loaded machine tool. The new mill turn setup structure is created.